Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Baldur's Gate 3 crashing on PS5. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So, through the official Baldur's Gate 3 Twitter account, it has been announced that the sudden crashes faced by the PS5 players could be due to a PSN related issue. The development team behind Baldur's Gate 3 is fully aware of the situation and has promptly launched an investigation into the matter. And while they work to identify the root cause of these PF5 crashes, or PS5, I'm so sorry, so they have provided players with temporary workaround to keep the game running smoothly. So the recommended solution given by the developers is to just disconnect the PC from the internet. So this step may seem unconventional, but it appears to mitigate the crashing issue, allowing players to continue their adventures in the world of Baldur's Gate 3 uninterrupted. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.